In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Applied Biosystems QuantStudio 5 Real-Time PCR System. To begin, prepare the installation site. You can install the instrument yourself or contact us to schedule an installation by a Thermofisher Scientific Service representative. After inspecting the shipment, verify that the items on the shipping list are the same items that you ordered at the time of purchase. Carefully inspect the shipping containers. Report any damage to the customer service team and record any damage or mishandling on the shipping documents. Lastly, unpack and store the reagents and plates as specified. Next, ensure that you have the correct installation materials, including personal protective equipment, a network connection if needed, and a power outlet. Be sure there is ample space behind the instrument to access as needed during installation. Follow the pre-printed instructions on the instrument box to unpack the instrument. The instrument box should contain reference documentation, the instrument, and the accessories needed to power and run the instrument. Place the instrument on the bench and plug the power cable into the power port on the back panel of the instrument. Then plug the cable into an electrical outlet. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on the back panel of the system and the other end to a computer. To access all of the features of the Thermofisher Connect platform while using this instrument, visit thermofisher.com/connect to create an account or sign into an existing one. Next, we'll walk you through some setup basics for the QuantStudio 5 system. On the back of the instrument, you will find 3 USB ports, an optional Wi-Fi adapter so you can use your system with the cloud-based Connect platform, an Ethernet port so the system can connect to your network, and an RS-232 service port and fuse cover that are normally only used by service engineers. You will also find a power port that will allow you to easily turn off the instrument when it will not be used for an extended period of time. Now it's time to power up your new instrument. Turn on the instrument by pressing the power button. Then follow each step of the startup wizard. On the front of the instrument, you will notice a USB outlet, which allows you to easily plug in your thumb drive. The instrument drawer contains the 96 well or 384 well block, depending on which model you purchased. A glove-friendly touchscreen allows you to sign in, set up runs, access templates, and view settings. The instrument name, by default, is assigned as the instrument serial number. Only an administrator can change the instrument name. The help icon launches the touchscreen help system with step-by-step instructions on how to use the instrument. To load, change, or remove the plate, tap the eject icon to open the instrument drawer. Please use caution when changing plates as they can be hot. Once you have changed the plate, tap the eject icon again to close the instrument drawer. The QuantStudio 5 Real-Time PCR System offers many more features. To get an in-depth overview of your instrument, please contact your account manager or visit thermofisher.com/QuantStudio for more information.